Grand Banks, Malaysia sits on a piece of land of 21 acres with about 300,000 of cover workshop area. We built 3 series of boats, the Heritage, the Essaie and the Illusions, from 39 feet to 72 feet. All the fiberglass molding are being built in this facility, and the bigger boats like the Illusions, the 59, the 65 and the 72 are being assembled in Singapore. We are now trying to build a boat according to the ABYC class requirement and to CE requirement for Europe. And all the boats today are built to these requirements.
My first priority is marketability of the product, ensuring that the marketplace receives the product with the reception that we're looking for. Then we come after quality. It has to meet GB standards, which are extremely high. Performance and costing are all intertwined. No one component is more important than the other. The people love Grand Banks because of the way they're built. They're a very high quality product. They're built for people that use their boats. They're designed that way. Rather than some of the other products that are out on the market that are flash, that you could go fast, but the number of hours that the people spend using those boats is nothing compared to what the GB owners tend to spend. The next step for Grand Banks is the completion and introduction of the 45 Salon Express. We have a new 55-foot Salon Express, and we will be reintroducing another large East Bay flybridge sedan.